to those who have joined us all here on a beautiful, clear evening. The conditions contributing to a fantastic atmosphere in the stands. This really is the place to be. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. And here's Messi. Can he put it away? What a wonderful goal!
Well, they would have been looking at him to produce the goods, and that was very kind of him to oblige so early. Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
After 6 minutes is number 11, Lionel Messi.
So the game's first significant moment, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated. And he's being shifted off it. Messi. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. And he's had it nicked away. Oyarzabal. Messi finds himself offside. Akanji promptly onto that, and that is that. And it's Messi. And here's Messi. Couldn't squeeze it through. Jimenez. So just a one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. And that has not gone well. Nicely aimed pass. Oh, super find. And he was quick to react. And the finish! They want to be quick to recover this. Brilliantly cut out. Great chance! And he hits the net. And with that goal comes comfort. And that will surely go down as one of the easiest goals he could ever score.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
And now he has two. Arsenal are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Half-time coming up, and little doubt as to which of the two sides is the happier. Oh, perfectly measured that. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. Gonzalo Guedes was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Matheus Cunha. Good, strong midfield running here. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. That's been cut out, well played. Threads one in. That's a shade optimistic. And that'll be the final action of the first half. How would you review the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Arsenal ahead 2-0, and they are looking good. And we're already back up and running after half-time. The ball has bounced loose now. Out to the left it goes. Aït-Nouri. Matheus Cunha. Can he finish? It's in! The second half off to a spectacular start. He just absolutely speared that in.
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control. He couldn't have placed it any better.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an equaliser.
And here's the chance to counter. Just eases him off the ball. Well, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time.
72,306.
It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Arsenal suddenly appear frail.
Yes, from comfort zone to a stage of uncertainty, perhaps, and they can't drift into a carelessness, or this could get away from them.
And it's Jimenez. And the shot! Messi is being harried and hassled.
Well, learning from your mistakes and not repeating them is never completely guaranteed, but that rear guard is more focused on him now.
It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
And that's been... There's the hit! They've scored! There seemed no way back, but they are level. His position was perfect, the invitation was there for him, and his response absolutely clinical.
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final ball was. It took the defence out of the equation for that split moment, and the damage was all done.
This has become one superb game of football.
Well, that goal just serves to give them the momentum. And
Messi! Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it.
Messi has delivered a really costly miss. It could have been their last chance to win it.
Number 5.
And we have our very first corner.
Number 27.
Big chance! No, he got that all wrong.
Well, he did get himself into a good position. Something for him to cling to.
Oh, that's a key interception. And here's Son Heung-min. Messi. And Messi! Goal! Arsenal! And there's your hat-trick hero. He is simply indefatigable. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
He weighed up the landscape, Peter, and he stuck it bang in the corner.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
Well, you had to fancy him, Peter. He seems to be growing in stature with every goal.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Oh, this is fully deserved for me because they've shown great heart and spirit. It's there to win from here, or dare I say, throw it away now.
There will be 5 minutes added time.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Jimenez. He's had a shot! Now, who's going to be first to this? It's loose, and there's a race for the... Looks for the finish! And we're done. Arsenal have emerged victorious in this match of thrills. The odd goal ultimately proving the difference. Messi reflecting on a stellar performance and now taking home a permanent reminder for his mantelpiece. Thrilling, nail-biting, perhaps frustrating until the very end, but we do have a winner.
Well, I just think that determination and persistence has paid off handsomely to squeeze the win out of a draw. Sometimes it comes down to grit and desire and the stubbornness to keep plugging away. And this has been great staying power.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin. That's all we have time for. Good evening to you.